Hello everyone! In this video, we will go through 5 great architectural tools that you need to use in order to make efficient and successful progress in your projects. I'm Hassan Numer from Integrated BIM, and I'm here to help you and guide you and provide you with a lot of content to elevate your skills, especially with BIM, because we publish a lot of BIM-related content for you. Sometimes we also publish some architectural content, therefore please like and subscribe to our channel because this enormously supports us and we are eager to provide more kind of content for you, and your support is highly appreciated. When I prepared the title of this video, I checked it and I was like, okay, why do we really need the technology? Why do I need to share this one with you? Because imagine that you have been investing 10 hours on a task that struggled you, that it could have been done in a half an hour by using a proper system or technology. There was a mistake in communication or mistake in collaboration, so you lost X amount of cost just because you were struggling on a task. And you didn't bill Y amount, which means that you need to compensate that later on. So if you actually remove all your X's and convert into Y's, meaning you get revenue, all your tasks, like 90% everything you deliver is revenue based, you can bill the client, then you're actually making up profit to cover all your expenses to cover those technologies. So let's jump into the technologies and let's cover them one by one. Tool number 1 is to choose proper management tool that will help you with plan of work. So there is an NBS chorus, which we can see over here, and I will not be demonstrating this chorus in this video, but if you're interested in, please comment below and I will be happy to make a demonstration video for you. So this chorus is also excellent for small projects because it's specifically made, this portion of it, for small projects, and you can ask for demonstration as well individually outside me. If we go to the return on investment, you can put your own values and you can see how much money you can actually save. So you can just go to NBS chorus ROI calculator. The next tool would be a task management tool. You need to choose a tool that helps you to manage all your tasks. Don't make it like that, just jumping in the project and trying to do stuff and lose where to do, especially if you're collaborating with a larger team. I mean, you can be a still small company like 3-4 people working. It's still a large team because everyone has to know what you have been doing efficiently without all the time interrupting you. So if they see a proper tasks, they can see what is in progress. You can use Kanban charts, Asana, Trello, and other software can be used for this. It's really efficient. I really encourage you to take a look at them. The third tool is BIM Authoring Software. You need a software where you can build BIM models and you can extract all the relevant details out of them. Over here, a slight thing that you need to be careful is the level of development, so you don't populate your model with a lot of information and unnecessary information, wasting so much time that doesn't bring a value to you. If you want to learn more about level of development or level of information needed according to ISO, you can click on the pop-up link above or the link in the description above or below. BIM authoring tools could be ArchiCAD, Revit, Tekla, or any other BIM-related software. However, if you're using still traditional AutoCAD workflow or traditional Rhino workflow, by the way, if you're a Rhino person, there is no offense. I don't want to say anything on that. I'm just saying that if you can find some plugins to relate the Rhino with BIM workflow, so you can actually get more out of it, or else you can use Dynamo in the conceptual stages, maybe in the beginning of the schematic, but when it goes to the more in detail, you switch to the Revit. I don't suggest this workflow. I don't think this is the best workflow. I think if you're doing such a workflow like Revit for documentation and construction modeling and Rhino for design, in that case, what you need to do is you need to use Rhino solely for conceptual design, and you need to build everything accurately in Revit. Meaning, if you're doing conceptual design, you just do the schematic things and pull out everything in the model. I mean, do all the shapes you want and the designs you want, but once you have a decision on which direction you're going for, start modeling them properly in Revit for a presentation or to move on to the next phase to get an approval. Tool number 4 is choosing proper rendering and visualization tool. I know as an architect or designer, we love visualization. So we need to choose some tools that enables quick rendering, quick visualization, and we can actually discuss these visualizations, maybe even virtual reality with the projects. Therefore, choose something that doesn't complicate things a lot. Maybe if you're in the final stage, or if you want impressive, really realistic renders, you can go ahead with that. You can use Enscape or Lumion for high quality outputs, and they will be more than sufficient. And tool number 5 would be a tool that allows computational design or visual programming. Could be Dynamo or Grasshopper. Bear in mind that Grasshopper is only for geometrical representations, but Dynamo is more like visual programming. You can do documentation, you can automate documentation, you can automate some parameters, you can do more stuff within the Dynamo. Whereas with the Grasshopper, it's only for design purposes. These kind of products elevate your workflow into a new dimension because they make things faster and you can automate certain things. You don't need a code or plugin to do what you need, small, simple steps. You can just pull up some couple of visual ready codes and combine them together and make your own. And by the way, Dynamo is an open source and it's free with Revit, so I encourage you to use it. And we are soon sharing with some videos. We recently shared one perforated video with Dynamo. You can click on the pop-up link above or the link in the description below or above to check that video. I highly encourage you to check it. If this video added value to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel because every week we are going to share a lot of BIM related content for you. Don't forget to share it with your colleagues and don't forget to comment below if you have any queries or you want us to cover some of the topics or softwares we have mentioned in this video. See you next time.